That pineapple that you bought to make smoothies with doesn't look the way you want it, but don't throw it away. Wait! It's good. Yeah, it's good. It's not bad. It's actually ready and ripe to eat. That gold color, go on and smell it. Doesn't it smell good? Okay, so what if I told you we could make something nice with this? Like a dish for dinner. I know, exciting, right? All right, let's go and cook it. Let's get ready. Can you bring it back? Thanks. Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of In the Key of Yumm. So on this episode, I have two versions of the same dish. So 2 for 1. So the episode, we're going to talk about what to do with that pineapple. That pineapple is ripe, it's golden, it smells very, very sweet. That means it's time to eat, not time to throw it away. So our dish, are you ready? Is pineapple fried rice. It's traditionally a dish from Thailand, or there's also one from Malaysia or from Hawaii. And there's also other versions of it out there from different cultures and countries. But I'm gonna do mine specifically from Thailand, and we're gonna do 2 versions. We're gonna do a more traditional version where I use rice, and then we're gonna take another version where I'm gonna use cauliflower as my rice. So get ready for that. But before we go on and we start cooking and prepping our food, it is time to talk about the music. So our soundtrack for this episode has 3 songs. I decided to do 3 because I thought it would be better. You know, it's better to have 3 songs on a loop, especially for a dish like this, and something that you can like sing to, you know, bob your head to, rap to. And so our first song is by Sukiyaki. They are a duo girls group from the 80s, and the song is A Taste of Honey. It's all because of you. I'm feeling sad and blue. You went away, now my life is filled with rainy days. I love you so, how much you'll never know. You went away and left me lonely. Okay, so our second song is Lottie Dottie by Slick Rick with the beatboxing styles of Dougie Fresh. Yes, I thought it would be good because they actually sample Sukiyaki from the first song I sung. Then I dally, I ran through the alley. I bumped into this homegirl, Sally from the valley. This was a girl playing hard to get, so I asked, what's wrong? She looked upset. She said, it's all because of you. I'm feeling sad and blue. You ran away. Now my love is filled with rainy days. I loved you so, how much you'll never know. You took your love away from me. So our third song is by Miguel, and the song is Pineapple Skies. Are the trees high enough, baby? Leave you so high, feet won't touch the ground. Would you look up, baby? It's pineapple purple skies. Promise everything gonna be alright. Oh, promise everything gonna be alright. Alright, so now that you got your songs, let's put them on loop, a couple on repeat, whatever you like, and let's go. So here's everything that you need. You need your pineapples, your rice, your peas, your shrimp devein and clean, cashews whole in halves, your peppers, onions, carrots, and your eggs. Now we're going to start off with the rice. Put your cup of rice in there. We're going to use a cup of water and a cup of veggie broth and put it in our rice cooker and let that go. In a dry pan, we're going to roast our cashews. They're wholes, halves, and pieces. You're just going to shake the pan until they get little brown marks on them, and they're perfect. In a small pan, we're going to cook our shrimp and some coconut oil. So go on and put that in there. Remember, they should be clean. And then we're going to add some salt and pepper to them. And then they'll look like this. And go on and set those to the side. Now, in a larger pan, we're going to put some oil in there. And we are going to put our peppers in there with our onions and our garlic. And we want all this to brown and to cook down to prepare for our fried rice. So once you stir it around, it's going to start to brown, and you'll see the onions will caramelize, and it'll look something like this. And we're going to add our egg, and you want to make a moat so you can start to scramble and cook the eggs in the middle, and then just add the peppers and onions and garlic into it, and then you're ready to add your rice. And you want to fold it. You don't want to do mashing. Add your peas, fold that in there along with some carrots. And we're going to just keep folding. Add your pineapples. You can use cubed or crushed. And then add your shrimp or any meat of your choice. You can use chicken or steak if you want to for this dish, or tofu. Add your seasonings. And if you want to add more, go on. I usually do. We're almost done. We just need to toss in our cashews. So go on and put those in there and just fold it. Remember, keep the folding action going. Add some fish sauce. It's a little smelly, but it's good. Add soy sauce or liquid aminos. Use a packet of soy sauce that you may have left over from Chinese food. And then you're going to go on and sprinkle your green onion in there. And voila, it's ready to plate. Yum! So here's what you need for part 2. We have our pineapples, our peas, our cashews, our cauliflower, that's going to be our rice, our peppers, onions, and carrots. So you're going to take the cauliflower and cut the stalk off and throw a couple pieces in there. And you're going to blend it so it turns and it looks like rice. And you're just going to do that a few times for each batch, just until you get a full bowl of cauliflower rice. Go on and put our garlic in a pan with some oil. And we're going to go on and toss the rest of our veggies. So our carrots, peppers, and onions. And since we're not using egg for this, we're just going to go on and let it brown. And then we're going to add our cauliflower rice. You can add a little bit more. And remember, still use the folding action when you're cooking this. You don't want to mash it up. Add your seasonings to it. They're starting to get that color. And then you're going to add your peas. We're also going to go on and throw in that pineapple. Remember, you can use cubed or crushed. And add your cashews in it too. You can use soy sauce or liquid aminos. And go on and fold that in. And then our green onion, toss that. And we are done. And it's ready to eat. Go on and put it in a bowl or plate, and yum. So, I hope you enjoyed this episode of In the Key of Yum. And go on and hit that subscribe button. Don't finish this video without hitting it, so go on and hit it. All right, good. And also, if you have any suggestions for food or music, go on and comment down below. I'll give you credit if I use it. And also, tell your friends. Spread the word out there. You may have a friend who's little struggles in the kitchen. That's okay. I'm here to help everybody prosper in the kitchen. And remember, every time you eat, even if pineapple's the main ingredient, make sure you do it in the key of yum. See you next time.